Hello and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Naomi. If you are a blueberry lover, try making this bread. Whether you enjoy a slice it as a snack or eat it for breakfast, you will love this recipe. Pick a medium-sized ripe banana and put into a large bowl. Mash each banana with a fork. Then add 1 egg, 15 grams sugar, 15 grams softened butter, 1/4 tablespoon cinnamon powder. Cinnamon makes this cake more fragrant. Mix them up and stir well. Next, add dry ingredients: 100 grams cake flour, 2 grams baking powder, 2 grams baking soda. Stir well. Once the butter is smooth, add fresh or frozen blueberries. Grease the bread mold with oil and pour the butter into it. The size of the mold I use is about 250 grams. You can add some sliced almonds on top of the butter for decoration. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees. Bake for about 35 or 40 minutes. Remove the bread from the oven. Let it sit for a while. Once you try this blueberry banana bread, you will never want to go back to regular banana bread. Thank you for watching, and if you like my recipe, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next episodes of Naomi's Kitchen. Bye bye!